In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to improve a Confluence page for clarity and readability. By the end, you'll know how to take a cluttered page and turn it into something clean, scannable, and genuinely helpful for your readers. Start by opening the Confluence page you want to improve. Before you touch anything, take a quick moment to skim the page as if you were a first-time visitor. Ask yourself what the page is trying to achieve and who it's for. This quick mental check will guide every decision you make. Next, click Edit to enter the editor. If others are working on the page, make sure you're not overwriting active changes. Once you're in, think of yourself as an editor tightening a draft, not just a writer adding more. Begin by crafting a clear, descriptive title and a short introduction. The title should say exactly what the page covers, using words your audience is likely to search for. In the introduction, explain the purpose in 1 or 2 sentences and set expectations for what the reader will learn or find. Keep it focused and helpful. Use headings to break the page into logical sections. Aim for a simple hierarchy. Main sections with clear labels and short subsections when needed. Headings act like signposts, so keep them concise and consistent. This structure helps readers jump to the part they need without wading through everything else. Enhance the layout with panels, tables, images, icons, or dividers. Use panels to highlight key takeaways or important notes. Tables work well for comparisons or structured data. Add images or simple diagrams when they clarify a concept and include short captions so readers understand what they're looking at. Icons can draw attention to critical points, and dividers create natural breaks so the page doesn't feel like a wall of text. Keep visuals purposeful and consistent. Now, simplify. Remove any unnecessary text, repetitions, or outdated details. Aim for short paragraphs and clear sentences. Replace vague phrases with concrete information and put the most important points near the top of each section. The goal is a page that someone can scan in seconds and still walk away informed. When you're satisfied, click Publish and review the page as a reader. Scan the whole page from top to bottom. Check that headings read like an outline, panels stand out without overwhelming the content, images load correctly, and links work. If anything feels crowded or confusing, return to Edit and Refine. A few small tweaks now will make a big difference for your audience.